If you love mathematics, you're already ahead of many people. But here is the problem. Just loving mathematics is not enough. The real question is, what degrees can you study to help turn your skills in mathematics into high-paying, fulfilling careers? In this video, I'm going to share with you the best degrees to study for students who love mathematics, not just to pass exams, but to create things, to solve real problems, and to make real impact. So make sure you don't miss a thing in this video. At the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a top secret that can make you successful in the field of mathematics. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and also share with someone who needs to say it. You know, I always like to go straight to the point. So without further ado, here is the list of the best degrees for students who love mathematics. And first on my list is statistics. Now, statistics is a very lovely degree. It is very mathematics heavy, meaning that if you already love mathematics, you should be able to do well in this degree. And there are a lot of lovely careers that you can, get into after this degree. For instance, there is biostatistician. You can become a biostatistician. That is the health sector, but the data aspect of things, you can become a sport data analyst, a market analyst, and so many other careers that are reliant on data. Any career or any company or organization that relies heavily on data to function, you can work with this degree. Number 2, computer science. If you really like mathematics and you are good at it, you can also go for computer science. So this degree is where mathematics meets coding. So if you like to innovate, you're a thinker, and you like to create stuff, then why not go for this degree? It will be worth your investment. Every dime is one of the very high-paying, or a degree that will lead to high-paying careers like becoming a software engineer, systems developer, AI and robotics engineer, system architect, and very well-paying careers. So this is another lovely option. Number 3, engineering. I think engineers see themselves as some of the smartest people. I really don't know why, but I think I'll agree, especially coming from my own background where I was very, very poor with mathematics. In fact, I managed to have like a C6 in my WAEC after getting, lesson teachers, extra teachers, and all of that. So I give it to them. But engineering is a very, very good course. But do you agree that engineers are very, very smart, or is it just a perception? Well, let me know that in the comments. There are a lot of engineering degrees, from civil engineering to mechanical engineering to software engineering. A lot of engineering degrees, electrical and electronics engineering, and a lot of them. So all of these engineering degrees will open good career opportunities for you after university, especially if you specialize in ones that are in high demand right now. Anything that has to do with smart building, sustainable energy, and all of that. So engineering is definitely a good degree if you love mathematics. If you've watched this video to this point, I want to believe you've gained a thing or two from this video. Thanks for sticking around. If you've not met me, my name is Buki, and I am very passionate about helping young people to achieve success in school and beyond. And so every week I'm making a duty to upload a video that is equally informative and educative like this one, but definitely different topics. So if this sounds like something you would like to be a part of and we can grow together and develop ourselves, why not click the subscription button right now so that you don't get to miss any video that we upload on this channel. And sitting at number 4 is economics. So if you love mathematics and you are good at it, then you can use your skill in mathematics to analyze policies, analyze markets, and strategic interaction, which is what economics is all about anyways. And there are a lot of interesting careers around analyzing policy or policy analysis, market forecasting, and things like that in economics. So if you study this degree as well, there are a lot of interesting career opportunities. Number 5, data science. In the world of 2026 and beyond, data science is one of the most sought after degrees and skills that you can have. Organizations, companies, firms are all looking for professionals who understand data, who can analyze it and help them get insights from it to increase their bottom line. So you are on the safe side if you study this degree, and it relates to mathematics because data science is all about data. Mathematics also is all about data, right? And making all those calculations. Crazy because I'm not in that field, but very, very lovely, and it can help you get into lovely careers like becoming a data analyst, data scientist, AI and machine learning engineer, business intelligence developer, product analyst, and so many other fantastic ones. Number 6, I hope I don't bite my tongue with this one. It's called Actuarial Science. Actuarial Science. Anyways, it's a blend of mathematics, business, and data to access financial risks. So if you study this degree, you will be able to work in the financial sector and get some of the well-paying and amazing careers therein. This is a good degree for you if you know mathematics, because like I said, it's a blend of math, data, and business. So if you love the business world and you're also good with your numbers, this is a degree for you. Next on the list is mathematics. I hope you know that mathematics is a whole degree that is studied in the university on its own. Yes, it is, and it's a very good one for that matter. So I see it as a foundational degree. With mathematics as a degree, you can get into any of the careers that I've talked about earlier. And at most, what you'll need to do is just to skill up. Maybe if you want to become a data scientist, for instance, you can just take some courses to help you to become or to pivot easily, right? So mathematics is a very good degree to have, especially if you love mathematics already. You don't have anything to lose. And at number 9 is medicine. Now, this is a very subjective one, because you may love mathematics, but you may not love the other subject that is required for medicine, like biology, chemistry, and all of that. So it all depends on you, right? You just go with your vibe. If medicine is your thing, like you love medical, biology, and all those subjects, then fine. And you know math as well, then fine. Otherwise, then definitely you may want to have a think about that. But we all know that medicine is a hot cake, is well paid, is in high demand, and definitely if you know mathematics, then there is all possibility that you'll be able to do very well in this field if you love it. So I promise to reveal a secret for you at the end of this video, and here you go. If you want to brush up your mathematics skill and get even better in mathematics, the best thing for you is to learn mathematics in a fun and exciting visual way from any of these YouTube channels. There are a lot of them, but I'll give you the top 3 ones where you can learn mathematics in a fun way. Before you know it, your mathematics skill will go from 50 or even 0 to 100. The first channel is called 3 Blue 1 Brown. This channel will help you explain complex mathematics ideas into simple, beautiful explanations. And you can also check out Number File for easy breakdown of difficult mathematics problems. You'll understand it in the easiest way possible. And for step-by-step problem solving and exam-focused topics, check out Black Pen, Red Pen. If you would also like to know the degrees you need to avoid at all costs in 2026 and even beyond, I have a video where I talked about all of the degrees that are useless and you need to avoid them and why. And the video is somewhere on my left or right, somewhere up there. Make sure you click watch, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.